Hey everybody, Mike here. So I wanted to give you a quick overview of this grommet machine that I picked up here a couple weeks ago. So I've only had the opportunity to use this thing about 15 or 20 times now, but I feel like I've gotten the hang of it pretty quick. It's a pretty easy thing to use. I'll go over it with you real quick, kind of show you how this thing works. First off, when it comes to you in the box, the only really assembly you got to do, you got to put the handle on, put this bolt through to get that assembled. Other than that, this thing comes fully assembled. Now you do have 3 sizes of grommets, so it comes in 3 different sizes, these little anvil mandrel type things that you put in, and that's a pretty easy deal to install as well. So basically this little bottom piece here just sits right down in the hole like you see like here. And once you get that down in there, you can tighten the screw down on the side to lock that in place. And the top piece right here just threads right into the metal shaft that you see here that does the press. After that, you're good to go. Now I went ahead and put this on a little small piece of board, and mainly that's just so I can put a clamp against my workbench or wherever I'm working on this thing at to kind of keep this thing stationary so it doesn't rock on me. Now with that being said, let's go ahead and show you how a grommet works. This thing comes as a 1,500 piece set, so basically you get about 500 1/4-inch grommets, 500 of your 3/8 grommets, and then about 500 of your 1/2-inch grommets as well. So you've got more than enough grommets to get you going. The first thing you're going to want to do, and it's completely up to you how you do it, they do sell a little punch for this, but you need to have a hole punched in whatever material it is that you're going to put your grommet in. So in my case here, I've just got a tarp. I'm going to throw an extra couple grommets in this thing just to show you how this thing works. So basically all you're going to do is you're going to take the 1/2 of the grommet here, the one that kind of is shaped like a hat. You'll lay that right down here on the bottom like so. Then you'll run your tarp or whatever material it is you're putting your grommet in. Put that right over the bottom half of the grommet. You'll take your top piece here, which is just a thin piece of metal, and put that to where the curve's kind of facing down. Once you've got that ran down like so, you can run your machine down here, put a little pressure on the handle, and just like that, we've got a grommet in our top.